Okay, to just go over the quick the fueling step that I'm going to be using in the Hawk, using the Jersey Modeler closed loop dry brake system. Basically, how it's going to work is you're going to have this dry brake valve in here that's going to be mounted inside the aircraft. That's going to be for filling. You're going to fill the UAT, overflow into the main tank. We're using this taxi tank to simulate the main tank. If we had the main tank in a taxi tank, it would fill this just like so, and then would come into here, into the taxi tank, and then out this hole, or this tube once it's full. So this is going to be mounted on the bottom of the aircraft as the vent. So how this works is when you're ready to fly the aircraft or fuel it, you're going to pull the vent line off, quarter turn, pull off. Be very careful. This has got the rubber O-rings on it. You want to make sure you don't
Force it.
you don't want to force it. You don't want to get it dirty. You'll end up burning the seal there. So this is what it looks like for the vent line. And what's going to happen here is we're going to start off by using this valve. This valve into the fill valve. Quarter turn, locks in. That's full. So now what we're going to do is we've got an adapter here to adapt from this point back to the vent on the aircraft. So these have dust covers for those. Put that in there again. It's just quarter turn, clicks, and it's there. Same thing there. Take the dust cover off. Doesn't fit very well with it on. And then we'll plug this into the aircraft. Quarter turn. It's locked in there. So now we have a totally closed loop system.
So there's no way to get or spill this all over the ground now.
There's no way to spill. If I just turn it on and let it run, it'd just keep pumping until it's full, and then back into the tank, and just keep circulating until the battery went dead. So
Okay.
real easy system. So this is the on this particular pump setup. We've got there's the master there. So that's fuel in and fuel out or defuel, and then you have the speed control right here. So
Which is nice because they get into multi-tanks.
That's correct. So if you get into multi-tanks that have a little bit of flow restriction, instead of blowing up your main tank as it's filling up the saddles or your secondary tanks, you can slow that speed down a little bit. So I'll go ahead and we can watch it fuel up here. We got a little bit of fuel in the UAT right now, but that'll all come out. Just a little bit out of level here. So I'll start out slow, and then you'll see as I bring up the speed. So now here's full speed, and then that main tank's about a quart. So we're just going to go ahead and let it fill up and overflow. There's no leaks anywhere in any of the valves. And then now it's it. There it comes through. Now let's get back into the tank.